Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a double color stroke in Affinity Designer. This technique is perfect for adding depth and visual interest to your shapes, giving them a professional layered look that really makes your designs pop. Let's jump right in. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, you can either open an existing file you've been working on or create a new file to start fresh. Now direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find various tools. Click on the rectangle tool, and from the options that appear, select the ellipse tool. This tool will allow you to create circular shapes, which is exactly what we need for this tutorial. With the ellipse tool selected, draw a circle by clicking and dragging on the canvas. Don't worry too much about the size right now, you can always adjust it later. The important thing is to get a shape on your workspace that we can start styling with our double stroke effect. Now look over to the right panel and navigate to the Appearance section. This is where all the magic happens for styling your shapes. In the Appearance panel, click on Stroke. This opens up a range of options that control how your stroke behaves and looks around your shape. Within the stroke settings, navigate to Cap, then click Butt Cap. This setting determines how the ends of your stroke are rendered. Next, navigate to Join and click Miter Join. This controls how corners are handled when you have angled strokes. Then navigate to Align and click Align Stroke to Outside. This is crucial because it positions your stroke on the outer edge of your circle, which will make our double stroke effect much cleaner and more visible. Here's where things get interesting. Right-click on the stroke you just configured, and from the menu that appears, select Duplicate. This creates a second stroke layer that we can customize independently, which is the foundation of our double color effect. Start by adjusting the width of the first stroke using the slider. Move it left or right until you're happy with how thick or thin it appears. You can also adjust the color by clicking on the color option, then choosing from the color picker that appears. Select whatever color suits your design vision. Now click on the duplicated stroke to bring focus to that layer. Adjust its width using the slider as well. Typically, you'll want this stroke to be either thicker or thinner than the first one to create that distinct double stroke appearance. Just like before, you can adjust the color by clicking Color and then choosing from the color picker. And there you have it, you've successfully created a double color stroke in Affinity Designer. This simple yet effective technique gives your shapes a sophisticated, multi-dimensional look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.